I'm going to do my very best to keep this video as smooth as possible, but I'm not really used to recording with one phone while also working on my laptop and my phone. So we'll see how this goes. I just wanted to show you how to use Reflector. If I go to the top of my screen here, I see the connection for Reflector. Now, to add a phone, I'm going to go over here to my Samsung, wake it up, and I need to have the app Google Cast. When I click onto Google Cast, I'll see that I see the MacBook Pro here, but it doesn't really work. That's not where I need to click. So I click here on the 3 lines. The next thing I'm going to do is choose to actually cast my screen and audio. So I click right here. The third spot is clicking on, again, cast screen and audio. I'd like to cast to Marissa's MacBook Pro. Okay, now up here on the screen, I see that there's this change where it now says cast device, which is something I would like to do. So I'm going to allow and show all. Okay, and I now can see the exact same thing that's on my phone is on the screen up here. Okay, so now that I have Reflector here, every single thing that I do on the phone will show up now on the screen. Okay. I'm also going to show you quickly how to make a recording right from Reflector. So we see this red record button here that I can click on. This starts a recording that does not have audio. If I want to change it so it does have audio, I'm going to stop. I don't want to save this. I need my Reflector toolkit. So I clicked back up here on the icon. Now I need to add audio and wake my phone back up. So I'll click on the microphone. Reflector's recording device only lets you record from your PC or a microphone that you have plugged into the computer and not to the phone. So I'm going to put the internal microphone on. If I wanted to, I think I could use my phone camera, but I didn't do my makeup today, so we won't be doing that. And I also have the choice for what I want to record. Okay, so I'm recording this device. And now I would go back over here, and this recording should be with audio. Okay, so I'm recording right now nothing, but if I actually did start to do something on the screen to make a plan or something that I would like to share with my students, that would show up there. Okay, to stop, I click the button again, I finish the recording. I'm going to name it just test, G-test. And then I'll click save. I believe I sent that to my desktop, so it's right here for me to open up. And this recording should be with audio. Okay, so I'm recording right now nothing, but if I actually did start to do something on the screen, I don't know where it actually went, but there you see it. So that is how you could use Reflector to prepare ahead of time to show the students something. I find this really helpful because if you have a recording that they're watching, you can pause it and work with individual students as things come up without losing your train of thought.